Today we're going to talk about probiotics, why they're so beneficial and why you need to be taking them, but more importantly, what to take, how many strains, all the details that I receive tons of questions from you viewers. Let's dig into probiotics for gut healing. One of the most common questions that I receive from not only my patients, but all of you viewers here on YouTube is, what type of probiotics should I take? How many strains should I be looking for? What frequency do I take them? Will it mess up my regular diet? Is it something that's going to affect my gut health in a negative way? Are probiotics enzymes? What's the difference between prebiotics and probiotics? I want to answer all of these questions because they're so important. Welcome everybody, I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm a naturopathic physician, and one of my core specialties is focused on gut healing and healing a lot of gut dysbiosis, gut disorders, and gut imbalances. And if you're watching this video, you're probably curious about probiotics, incorporating them into your lifestyle. So I'm excited for you to join my channel here. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. Hit the little bell so you get notified for other impactful and educational videos here and natural health resources for you to live a healthy lifestyle. Let's dig into probiotics today. First of all, if you are over the age of 0, you should be taking probiotics. So basically, infants to elders need to be enhancing probiotics in their diet. And basically, probiotics simply are good, healthy bacteria that helps to balance out the bacteria or biota. We call it a microbiota, a microcosm, an ecosystem of bacteria in your digestive system. Symptoms like gas, bloating, really extreme bloat after you eat sugar or carbohydrates, gut irritations, ache and pain, really tightness, constipation, even diarrhea, headaches, hormone imbalances, heart palpitations, eczema, and psoriasis. We can all identify those conditions to being rooted in an unhealthy, imbalanced gut microbiota. And so probiotics are going to be key for you to implement in your daily life. Some of the best probiotics are going to be probiotics that have multi-strain. I want to provide some clarity because there's 2 points of confusion for a lot of folks that I talk with. Your probiotic is going to have many types, and we're going to say multi-strain. So there's like acidophilus and bifidus and a whole bunch of other different types of probiotics. These probiotics are bacteria. And so let's say bacteria A, Adam, and bacteria B, Betty, they are in a 5 billion quantity. So Adam, there's 5 billion of Adam and 5 billion of Betty. What you want to look for is a multitude of Adam, Betty, Charlie, David, Enzo, and really as many as you can. Sorry, we're in toddler world and we're doing ABCs, so I'm going to talk about A to Z in terms of the different probiotics. But basically you want to find a probiotic that has at least 1 billion in terms of the quantity of the Adams and the Bettys. But you want to have multi-strain. And so this is really key. Look at the labeling and count. It often will say 15 strains. It might say multi-species. So then you have to count the strains and there's 12. Or it might not specify and it might just be one ingredient and say a food group. This is the important point of this video, friends. You want to have a probiotic every day. You can take it with food or without food, it doesn't matter. But you want a multi-strain probiotic. The most ideal multi-strain are in the 20s to 30s. So I'm going to share with you some things that I love and grabbed from my refrigerator here at the clinic. So I'm going to answer your next question. Which probiotics do I take? I'm going to share with you some products. I want to be completely transparent, friends. I'm going to give you some affiliate links of some products. A few of them you can only find in my store, and others you can find on Amazon. Either of the links, they are in support of my channel, and they actually allow me to shoot video and bring this free information to you. The most impactful probiotic, and all of you viewing who have worked with me, you know I am a huge fan of the Garden of Life. They have a raw probiotic. It's a 5-day powder. So this is something, this is going to be refrigerated Why I recommend this through my store is we send this 2 days and it's with ice packs. If you're buying this on Amazon and they're not ice packing it, your probiotics are dead. And so this is 400 billion. This is mega quantities of Adams and Davids. There's actually 34 Adams and Davids. This is A through Z plus 8 more. So you're getting some really high quality probiotics. This is a 5-day powder. You can put it in smoothies, you can put it in yogurt, you can put it in applesauce, but this is a good way to kick off healing your gut, enhancing really good probiotics. Then there are other ones like I love HyperBiotics, and they've recently, I'll tell you this, they recently started selling this at Target, which is pretty exciting. This Pro 15, the advanced, there's 15 billion, so not as much of 400, but 15 billion and 15 strains. And so there's a lot of different types of probiotics, and I always like to have a variety. Ideally with probiotics, you want to take one month and change, move to another one the next month, and then change and move to another one. Every month, try to introduce different types of bacteria because you're creating an ecosystem. You want a lot of variety, and taking the same one over and over again is not giving you variety and is one of the core reasons why you are constantly dealing with the gas, the bloating, the food sensitivities that might be impacting your skin and digestive health, hormones, stress, all of that stuff. So adding in and changing your probiotic is going to be key. Another brand that I love is Claire Labs. Their Therabiotic Complete, I love. They have kids versions and they just came out with a new one. I wish I would have had this when I was pregnant and nursing. They have a B2. It's a mommy and baby version, and it is so impactful for mommy's gut health, which transfers to the baby, and then breastfeeding. So it's mommy, baby, and breast. It's very supportive of breast health. And there are lots of studies in terms of breast health and probiotics that we need good probiotic to keep our breast tissue healthy, as well as prostate health for men. It's really important to keep the gut balanced. So those are 3 items that I really like. There are plenty of others. I'll link some more versions and types. These just happen to be what we're circulating and cycling through this month in our family. The next question that I always get is, are probiotics enzymes? And in fact, they are not. Enzymes help digest food, where probiotics create bacteria diverse culture and ecosystem in your gut. So enzymes will help break down food particles that then probiotics eat and utilize to help support the healthy gut. Now there's another element to good healthy probiotic intake. It's prebiotics. So the food, prebiotics are basically food, fiber dense food that feeds and nourishes the probiotics. One of the reasons why, if you're working with me or have heard a lot of my videos, you know I'm recommending that you consume good, healthy fiber, at least 35 to 40 grams of fiber. The fiber that you consume in your diet actually helps support the probiotics that you're consuming on a monthly basis. So that's really key, friends. And if you need more fiber, inulin fiber is always my go-to fiber. That's a prebiotic. Artichoke, Jerusalem artichoke, and a whole bunch of others. I'll link some products down below. Again, those are going to be really good for enhancing your probiotic nourishment and help root them in your digestive system. I welcome questions down below. I'm sure this has prompted several different questions as I went through this video. Please message me down below. I love answering your questions, and I want to make sure that I am giving you as many resources and information so you can be educated and calculated in optimizing your health and wellness. Thanks everybody for your time. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.